Hello everyone, this is Priti Gupta and today I will discuss about my project. So I'm creating ENotes project. ENotes project basically I'm features add like if you are adding your personal notes, then we can you can review your personal. No one can see, no one user can see your notes. It's personal notes. Like if you're using your mobile, then you can see that notes are here. You can their notes you can see only because if your the same as similar as I'm creating API. So for using API and using a Spring Boot also and language Java and my Java version 17 and we can see that I using base page first of all. I'm talk about fronted part first. So I create on base page and base page is basically I create on you can see that this is similar as HTML header and this is all a type and inside HTML tag I am I am used in Thamlib. This is the Thamlib link. Okay, and I use in fragments also because when we are using fragment, right, then we can't write rerun like we can't write nib bar on another page also. Like if you're not using nib fragment, right, so we can if you are login, if you are like creating login page, then we can like nib bar again we can write on nib bar also. So it is not good. That's why I'm using fragment. We can only one times we can create and then we can use in multiple page. So this is the main purpose of fragment. Like we can create in one times and we can use in multiple page. Like if I'm creating, I'm using multiple page like login page, file page, register page, user and details page, view page, add notes page, edit page, get page. This is my page. Okay, this is my HTML page. I use in fragments, and this is the main base page. I write on everything. You can see that. This is my start navbar and I use in navbar LG navbar light color. I choose in light color. Okay. And inside, just a minute. Inside anchor tag, I use in this is my font awesome. Font awesome because basically we have log in like logo types. We can say that logo types image and I use in font tabs. Okay, and this link I already mentioned. You can see that this is my font tab. Yeah, this is just a minute. This is font tab link lead. You can see that font awesome. Okay, and under name bar I return on eNotes. After that I return on home page. After that I return on add view search bar also and this is a user details and I use on logout login and the register page. Okay, we can see that I use in some javascript page also, so we will discuss. So yeah, this is my first page. After that I create on register page, so we can see that register. Yeah, we can see that register page we can already mention title and section also. This is the syntax of family, so that's why this was I'm using. Okay, so inside I am like mention on section, that's why I'm create under section I was written on code. So under section and we can see that this is the code of register page. I this is a register header code, and after that we have to inside register we can enter the full name, enter the qualifications, enter the emails address, and etc terms and conditions are also included. And then if you are already registered on your page, then we have to go to direct login. If you are not registered, then we have to first register yourself. I add on validation also. So yeah, and after that, some you can see that this is my login page also, same as. If you are new user, if you are already registered yourself, then first we can go with direct register. Put your register name, sorry, register emails and password also. If your password is wrong, then message has been occurred like your password is invalid. So please put your valid password. Okay. So this is the, and so I rerun the code and we can see the what is the main purpose of this project. Okay. Just a minute. So view console. Okay. Already run. 18. You can see that my Tomcat started on 8089 port number. Okay. So we can go with browser and localhost 89 slash. Yeah. So we can see that this is my neighbor. I already say that I'm neighbor on light color. So this is the light color of neighbor. And after that, I use in like I already told that I use in some neighbor like ENotes, home, add, view. After that, search bar also I added on under the login register phase. And I already say that if you are already registered, then we can go with register page. If you sorry, if you are new user, then we can go with register. Put your all the details on your this register. But I already registered, so no much time I was waste. So direct I just log in because I already registered on my page. So it is, so user can multiple user can use this page, but we can review like I am user. I am only review see my notes. No one can see my notes. Okay. So this is the privacy of this notes also. You can see that it's nice, right? Welcome to the Preeti Gupta to your notes because my name is, you can also see that my name is Preeti Gupta. Then we can tag my page is open, and and we can say that, see, this is just a page, and welcome to the e-notes and some messages I have put on, and you can go back. Okay. So if I add this notes, then I will add, and I like today's schedule. Okay. Today, today's schedule, and complete complete my demo, and yeah, that's all. Complete my demo. Click on save, and we can go with view also. And I'm add on paginations also. We can see that. So we can just see. Yeah, I can see that. Already my today's schedules are already seen. This is my title. Or if you are if you are search on like by title, put on title, then you can see that project idea already shown on my page. Okay. And if you are shown on others, it is a search on another by titles. Like you can see that I have received my JavaScript. If you are clear, if you are just a minute. Okay. Just if you are update your anything like edit. Okay. If you update anything like complete my demo and progress myself. Okay. And click on update. Yeah. So we can see. Yeah, already updated. If you are delete this, if you are think that this is not in this is waste of notes, so we can just delete. Yeah, we can check your notes is delete or not. Then just scroll bar. Yeah, this is the last because you can see that this is the last, and these notes are not view, already deleted. So yeah, this is my page, and we can see that already. Like if you are search on view page, you can see that my page already on. If you are search on home page, then You can see homepage is already open. And if you are see on like ad, okay, my ad page is open. So yeah, can see that. So this is my own notes. So it's not very big project, but I create on own self. So I'm very confident on this project, and I like I set on like logo PCS Global because I'm working on PCS Global. Before 4 months, I completed my 4 month of PCS Global. So I set on this global like logo also. So yeah, if you are enough your notes, then we can go with log out. And if you are like new another user login, then you can see like the here. I like my password is wrong, then we can see that my email and password is wrong. We can message like that email and password is like, then we can see that actually I was not see I forgot already. No. So what I say? Summer. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. We can see that I remember on this user and the password. So we can see that welcome to the Summer in your notes, and we can if I am Summer, then we can see that your his notes is only two. He can add only two notes like wake up to 5 2 and training guidance. Yeah, he is a training guidance, and yeah, we add on anything like. So this is my project of I'm creating some notes. Users can like create on your personal notes, like you can many things we have to like personal life notes also we have to write on this API. So it's very useful, I think so. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you. And if you like this project, and if you have any source code, then I will send on if you have any source code. If you are urgent for any source code, then we can comment on my YouTube channel. And if I am see, then I will share you. Okay. Thank you so much. This is my enough. Okay. And that's all. Please like and subscribe my channels because I am beginner. I have no knowledge of on this. Just I am trying to improve myself. That's all. Not a big deal, but I'm just trying to improve myself. That's all. Thank you.